If you're looking to do karaoke with the help of generative AI in your own voice, then maybe this tool Wondera is for you. This tool is actually quite interesting. Karaoke is basically a type of interactive entertainment usually offered in nightclubs or bars where people sing along to recorded music using a microphone. The music is an instrumental version of a well known popular song. In this video, I'm going to just introduce you to this tool. I did play around with it and it is quite interesting, but I'm not going to really go and show you how it works because otherwise it will the YouTube has copyright issues, so I don't want to go into that one. But let me introduce you to this amazing tool. As you can see, it can do a lot of things. You can sing songs in English, Spanish, Vietnamese, and there are various other languages in which you can do this stuff. Now, having said that, so you can not only do karaoke, you cannot transform any song in your AI voice. The way it works is quite interesting. It is all about elevating the way you sing and connect with music. So, if you are looking for the steps, all you need to do is to launch the app. And yes, you can't use it on desktop, you have to use it on your Android phone or App Store. So, you launch it, you give it your voice sample where or your vocals basically, then you pick any voice sample and you also give it your age, whether you're a male or female, and then accordingly it picks up the song for you. Then you select your song and then it creates the AI voice and then it produces that song in your own AI voice. The quality is really good. I would highly suggest you check it out because the quality is really good. I mean, I liked it. So it's all about your future of, if you wanted to be a wannabe singer, you can just try it out. And of course, the more you practice, the more better you will get. And I tried out a few songs in Arabic, in Vietnamese, the languages which I have no idea about. And I was able to just sing the lyrics, and I am no singer. I'm not even a bathroom singer, but still, when I listened to what it produced in my own AI voice, it was quite amazing and interesting. So, if you want to show off your musical skills and you always wanted to sing, then AI is there to help. Go crazy. And if you upload it somewhere, share it, the links of your creations or your music talent in the comments. I'll be happy to listen and I will let you know how it goes. I'm a huge music fan, even if I can't sing. So feel free to try it out. Let me know what do you think about this product. Looks good to me. And I'll drop the link to their website, which is simply wondera.io, and you can play along. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.